Hello everyone, every 2 and every 3. Today we're gonna be opening 2 Chaos Galaxy things. Well, I'm probably just gonna open one today. This one, the booster pack. And, well, no, I will see which one I open first. I'm really excited to open them. As you can see, there's my card. And let's get started. So, I'm gonna start with the booster pack, and maybe tomorrow I'll do the Chaos Galaxy battle box. I hope you like the video and really go check these cards out. I mean, Chaos Galaxy is just so awesome. I feel like I'm talking super low. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Oh god. Oh, I made it. I didn't need scissors. Oh god, I didn't make it. And now I made it. Oh god, I don't want to watch them. It's just... oh my god. This is so horrible. I'm so bad at opening this shit. And there we go. Nicely pull them off. And let's get started. So, Power-proof scanner. When a creature's ability activates when it is played, cancel that creature's ability. I really like this one. You're probably gonna be seeing me say good to the art and rate the art because I'm really bad at like knowing if a card is really good or bad. But in general, I really like everything. Like the laser here is really nice. A copy. Oh, that one's cool. Power 110, Indian health 200, 3 stars, common. I like it. Basic, but it's cool. Galaxy Toast. If you have 3 zoned creatures that have the same number of stars, kill one of them and gain points equal to its stars. Well, that's cool. I really like the toast, the art. It's really nice. Dark Drangel. Oh my god, yes. I was waiting for this one. I really like this one. I have the Drangel, so I really wanted the other one. This creature gains 50 power and health for each of your killed copies of Drangel and Elite Drangel. That's cool. It's really powerful. Well, no. Yes. Oh my god, I'm really bad at this. But I really like Drangel. Lake of Myth. Attached to a 3-star or lower Polysium creature. Its power and health becomes equal to the power and health of one of your killed 6 or 7-star Polysium creatures. That doesn't have the interrogation powers and health. That's actually useful because I usually get really bad ones in stats, obviously. I just love the art. I'm really excited. Alright, next one. Yes! Tech Dragon. Rare. That one's cool. I was waiting for this one. I really love the laser. It's just awesome, the laser. And then artwork. It says Teklar. The new planet. Yay. Power 240. Health 300. And once per turn, you can reveal the top card of your galaxy. If it's a Teklar creature, this creature permanently gains 100 power. That's really cool. I'm gonna leave this one in the wait. So it is 5 common cards and 1 rare. Let's put them here like that. Great. Rudaboot. Power 100, Gaius. Health 150, 4 stars. And it says, whilst this creature is killed, all your zoned 3-star or lower Gaius creatures gain 50 power. I like that power. And I like that it's from Gaius. I never say it right. Gaius. Because I really like the Gaius. Oh my god. 1-starred orb. Add 1 galaxy, 1-star Sindel creature to your hand. I mean, I don't really use Sindel, so it wouldn't work for me, but I like it. It's really simple as others, but it's cool. It's cool, yeah. Galactic Journey. Yes, I was waiting for this one. I really wanted this one. When your opponent plays an activator, draw 1 card. Also draw 1 additional card for every other activator played previously in this play, excluding this card. I really was hoping for this one, and I also love the artwork. It's really nice. Okay, let's get some other rare or something like that, please. Oh, the ultimate betrayal of non-floating rock. Kill one of your zoned 2-star rock creatures to free play 1 of your galaxy 6 stars or higher rock creatures. I like it. That's all. I just like it. It's cool. Oh, this one's cool. The Galactic Wielder. Power 310, health 260. Wait, is that? Oh, nothing. I just thought I saw something. 6 stars. And its power. Any set number increases to this creature's power and health by an attachment or activator card is doubled. I like this one, and I don't really get no planet cards, so this one's cool. And also, oh my gosh, the artwork. Okay. The Mystic Blob, another no planet creature, and a rare one. So, power, health, plus, that's what I'm gonna say now. But you can only play one domestic blob per turn. Play this card in place of 1 part of any combiner creature. Cancel any abilities the combiner creature would have. So I really like the Mystic Bomb, and as well, we're also getting more of these. And it's a rare, so that's cool. Gathamic, is this 2 cards? No. Gathamic Crystal. I really like this one. And it says power 250, Sindel health 200, 5 stars. If this creature is free played by the ability of Gi, you can free play 1 of your killed 4-star or lower Gathamic creatures. Again, I don't use Sindel, but it's cool. It's really, really cool. Nightmare. Kill one zoned creature with stars equal to or lower than the number of your killed creatures from different planets, excluding no planet. That one's cool. I like it. I just don't know how to comment. Okay, ooh, temple traps. Just see the artwork. That's really nice. And it says, when your opponent attacks one of your zoned Gaia's creatures that has a one word name, cancel the attack and kill the attacking creature. That has a really special ability, and I like it. Next one. Obsidian Blob. Power 100, health 10, 1 star. That one is really bad, although I like the artwork. Conjuring Hat Cupboard. Once per turn, except the turn you play this card, you can add one zone to your planet. You cannot add the same type of zone more than once with this ability. Oh, and that's a rare. Cool. And now to the planet card. Oh, Tech Lord. Oh, yes. Once per turn when you're cosplaying a Tech Lord creature, you can look at either the top or second from top card of your galaxy. That's really cool. I really like Tech Lord, and I'm glad I got it. Look, nice. And also, just look at the artwork. Can you? Oh my god. Okay, it probably doesn't look good here, but it is really good. It's really cool. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. We got 3 rares, 1 planet card, obviously, and 14 common. I would have liked a really rare, but I mean, who cares? It's so cool. Bye.